Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects and Photoshop. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a smart object error. So if you're trying to import a PSD file from Photoshop into After Effects, but you get this error message telling you the Photoshop library operation failed because a linked smart object file is missing. Here is how to fix this. The first thing you want to do, if it's not already open, is to open the PSD document in Photoshop. Go up to the top menu in Photoshop, click on File, then select Package. This will open up a Finder window if you're on a Mac, or Files Explorer if you're on Windows. Package is going to gather all of the assets or the files used in this Photoshop document and then package them all into one folder. So choose a location where you want to package the files for this document. It could be in the original project folder, which probably makes the most sense, or you can just save it to your desktop. If you do not create a folder on your desktop to save it, Photoshop is just going to create the folder based on the name of your Photoshop document. So I'm just going to click Choose with no folder created. You see it's packaging the file. Now when I go to my desktop, there's the folder that was created based on the name of that Photoshop document. And if I open it up, you're going to see this is the original Photoshop document, and then there is a folder for links. The links is going to contain all of the assets or files used in that Photoshop document. So now that I have packaged the Photoshop document, I am going to try to import this Photoshop document into After Effects to see if that resolved the error message that I received before. I open up a blank project in After Effects. I'm in the project panel. I'm just going to double click on the project panel to open up Finder. I'm going to navigate to that package folder that we just created that has the links along with the Photoshop PSD document. I'm going to import. I'm going to change this to composition, retain layer sizes, create composition is great. Click open. I'm going to get that second dialog, which is going to make me repeat the exact same thing. Composition, retain layer sizes, editable layer styles, as I want this to be everything that we had in Photoshop. I'm going to click OK and cross our fingers so we don't get that error message. OK? Bingo. I can double click to open up the composition. Everything looks the same as it did in Photoshop. All of my layers from Photoshop came into After Effects, and if I tap the spacebar, I have the animations that I built in Photoshop. Problem solved. So if you are like me and use a lot of files or assets that you save in your Adobe Creative Cloud libraries, and you ever run into that error message when you try to import a PSD document into After Effects, a fast solution is just go to the File menu, choose Package, gather all the files and links all in one place, and try again. That is your quick tip in Adobe Photoshop and After Effects CC 2023 and 24. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.